What's up, you guys? Foamsmith here. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm not going to give you guys cosplay crafting tips, but I will give you guys 5 tips on picking out your first cosplay and how to start cosplaying in general. My first tip is actually decide if you actually want to craft your cosplay or if you want to pay a prop maker to make the cosplay for you, such as myself, or if you just want to buy it off some factory in China off of eBay or Amazon. Tip number 2 is if you decide to craft your cosplay, make sure that you have enough time to make it. So you need to plan out how much free time during the week you have to work on your cosplay and how much time you have before the convention or the photo shoot or whatever it is that you're going to cosplay in. And once you have that planned out, then decide what character you want to do. Try to keep it within your skill level and within your time frame. Because maybe you can pull off something harder, but it's going to take you a little longer. So the time frame is very important when picking out your character. So that brings me to tip number 3, is pick a character that you really like. It has to be something that you like. It has to be something that you can relate to. It can be from your favorite video game, from a book, from a movie, from a series, from a comic book, from an anime. It doesn't matter. It has to be a character. It can be something from your imagination, but it has to be something that you really like. Which brings me to tip number 4. Stay away from the trending cosplays or characters just because they look, just because you think they're popular. Stay away from those. Do stuff that you like, because if you don't like it, if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to enjoy making it. You're not going to enjoy working your butt off to save up money to buy it. There's no reason in doing something that you don't enjoy. So make sure that you pick a character that you like and that you enjoy cosplaying. Tip number 5. Once you have your character selected, once you know what you want, try to go into cosplay because you want to do it for fun. Don't go into cosplay thinking that that's just some easy way to make money, that you're going to instantly become popular, that maybe you look like a certain character and people are going to love you for it, which it might happen. It probably will happen. But, don't go in with that mindset. Just go in with the mindset that you're going to do this for fun and you want to do it for fun. And, that's basically the main reason you should cosplay in the first place. Not everyone makes money off of it. Not everyone becomes famous with it. I personally, I don't consider myself famous at all, but I do make money off of it. I sell ready-made stuff. I compete with my sets of armor. I make custom commissions for clients. So that's how I make money. I'm also an Amazon affiliate, which, by the way, if you use my link in my bio or in the description down below, depending on where you're watching this, if it's YouTube or Instagram, if you use my link and you want to help an artist out, you don't have to buy what's on my storefront, but if you're going to buy on Amazon, go through my link. Anything that you buy on Amazon while you go through my link will actually benefit me. So if you're going to buy something anyway, might as well help me out, right? You don't have to pay anything extra. It's just, I'm just getting traffic on Amazon, and Amazon pays me for it. So I really appreciate it. But anyway, back to the video. I hope that you guys understood my tips. And, just, again, the most important one, do it for fun because you enjoy it. Because if you don't enjoy it, then you shouldn't even be doing it. Okay, so make sure you have fun. If you don't have fun, then find some other hobby that you do have fun with. Okay, but until then, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, peace out.